This is Mr. Samir. Our lesson today is solving equations with fractions. First, we will remember the properties of equality sign. We will use it to find the value of the variable. First equation, guys, is x plus 2 over 3 equals 2 over 3. Now cancel 2 over 3 from both sides. We will get that x equals 0. What about the name of the property? The property is identity property. Next, guys, 4 over 5 plus 1 over 7 equals x plus 4 over 5. We can cancel 4 over 5 from both sides. Now x equals 1 over 7. What about the name of the property? The property is called a cumulative property. Next, guys, x times 5 over 7 equals 5 over 7 times 4 over 9. Now cancel the repeated fraction 5 over 7. We will get that x equals 4 over 9. What about the name of the property? Is identity property in multiplication. Now 4 times 4 over 7 times x equals 4 times 4 over 7 times 8. Now we can regroup 4 times 4 over 7. Now x, guys, equals what? Equals 8. The name of the property is called the associative property. Next, guys, x times 3 over 8 equals 0 times 3 over 8. Cancel the repeated factor 3 over 8 from both sides. We will get that x equals 0. What about the name of the property? Is called zero property. We studied before that 0 times any fraction equals 0. Let's have another example. Solve the equation. The first equation, x plus 1 over 4 equals 3 over 4. The second, x minus 5 over 7 equals 1. Now, first circle 1 over 4 and move it to the other side to be subtracted. We will use here the inverse operation. Now, x equals 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Now, x equals 2 over 4. In the simplest form, we can simplify x equals 1/2. Next, circle 5 over 7 and move it to the other side to be added. The inverse operation. Now x equals 1 plus 5 over 7. We can write it as a mixed number 1 and 5 over 7. Let's have another example. Solve the equation. The first, guys, first equation is 1/2 x equals 3 over 4. The second, 2 over 5x equals 3 and 3 over 10. Now circle 1/2 and move it to the other side to be here divided. It means that we will multiply by 2. Now x equals 3 over 4 times 2. Cancel out common factors. We will get here that x equals 3 over 2. We can write it as a mixed number as 1 and 1/2. Next, circle 2 over 5 and move it to the other side to be divided. X equals 3 and 3 over 10 divided by 2 over 5. Write the mixed number as a fraction. We will get x equals 33 divided by 10 divided by 2 over 5, or 33 over 10 divided by 2 over 5. Now, to divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second one. Now, x, guys, equals what? 33 over 10 times 5 over 2. Cancel out common factors. We will get that x equals, guys, 33 over 4. Now write it as a mixed number. We will get that x equals 8 and 1 over 4 in the simplest form. Let's have an example. Solve for x. Number 1, guys, 7 and 4 over 9 equals x minus 1 over 3. Second, 1 over 7x equals 1 over 14. The last one, x over 11 equals 3 over 55. The first one, guys, circle minus 1 over 3 and move it to the other side to be added. Now we can write x equals 7 and 4 over 9 plus 1 over 3. We will write the mixed number as a fraction. We will get 67 over 9 plus 1 over 3. Multiply the second fraction by 3 to keep the same denominator as we studied before. Now x equals 67 over 9 plus 3 over 9. Keep the same denominator and add the two numerators. Now x equals 70 over 9. We can write it as a mixed number. Now x equals 7 and 7 over 9 in the simplest form. Next, circle 1 over 7 and move it to the other side to be divided. Now x equals 1 over 14 divided by 1 over 7. Now multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second one. We will get that x equals 1 over 14 times 7. Cancel out common factors. We will get that x equals 1 over 2. The last one, x over 11 equals 3 over 55. We can write it as 1 over 11x equals 3 over 55. Now circle 1 over 11 and move it to the other side to be divided. X equals 3 over 55 divided by 1 over 11. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second one as we studied before. Now x equals 3 over 55 multiply 11. Cancel out common factors. We will get that x equals 3 over 5 in the simplest form. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.